Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on the Honda here, Fourtrax ES, the 2001 350. And the problem is that it has an intermittent shift problem. You might use it for a half hour and be fine, or eventually it gets stuck in some gear that whatever gear you're in seems to always be above third gear. Anyways, I guess the dashes are known to go on these, and I did what I could do with that. I guess you can take them apart, and there's a little strip in there, so I took it apart and cleaned that and stuff. People said that fixed it sometimes, but no luck. The dash does not work on this bike. Lights up the backlight with the headlights and such, but reverse, neutral, and the temperature light work, but otherwise it doesn't work. So anyways, we got this called the ECU basket, I guess. You can make these with just a couple relays, but I think this was only $60 or something.
I'll put a link in the description too, if anybody needs one.
And it's, it's just a plug-in kit. So other than the time we spent messing with the dash and checking out the electrical plugs, you want to make sure all that stuff's good on these before you go and buy one. Anyways, we spent a couple hours the other day and did all that, and we just got this, so we're going to give it a try.
And this is really common with these bikes, isn't it?
It seems to be from researching this one. Like, I never run into this yet myself, but it's definitely a thing on the internet or YouTube for sure. Sometimes you're, more times than not, you're too busy to work on a Honda with an electric shift problem that's 25 years old, but this is a nice old bike. So everything we're going to be doing is more or less in here. This first plug here we're going to unplug is, it comes from your shift button down to your ECU. Basically, the rundown on the system is that when you press that button, it sends a 5-volt signal down to your ECU. ECU sends out a signal 12 volts to your shift motor.
The button you mean is the shift.
The shift button, yeah.
Yep.
So basically, them buttons are working off a signal to the ECU. ECU sending 12 volts to the shift motor. This is going to do it. This is basically like hooking up a winch contactor. When you shift up, this one's going to be positive, this one's going to be negative, and vice versa. So it switches the, one of these wires will be power, one will be ground, depending on which way you're shifting. I get the information from the shifter here, where we just unplug that up here. So this plug here, it's going to plug into your dash. It's basically just backs off the dash plug. You unplug your dash, plug this in, plug your dash back into that. I'm hoping that this is going to take a switch power off the key to fire up these relays, because otherwise that'll be hooked up to the battery and you'll be able to shift the bike even when it's not running. Okay, so the third plug, the green one. Plugs right in.
Plugs into the green. There we go.
But I figure we may as well need a couple zip ties on it.
You're just pulling off the little side piece, just run it along the wiring?
Yeah. And I mean, the thing is, for $60, if you pay the labor rate to go over all the problems with this thing, it adds up pretty quick.
Well, I mean, even this one, there's nothing we could do. The circuit board was so corroded, it wasn't.
Yeah, there's a few wires that are in rough shape. These are an 11/8. I've seen a lot of people trying to put speed sensors and stuff on them to fix these problems. Never seems to work, so if you want to not buy a speed sensor. Lots of wire, but the relays don't want to pull through there all the time. This fuse is kind of a shitty stuff. $60 fix, I guess. I mean, for the money that you buy just for the part to put this harness together, you'd be well over $60.
Yeah, really.
Connectors and fuses and
Wiring itself.
relays and stuff. I'm sure you pay $10 each even for a shitty relay. I think a guy could do this all winch parts if they wanted to spend the time, and I guess it probably wouldn't be any cheaper, but
Definitely not.
really that shift motor is an electric motor hooked up the exact same way as the winch is, so.
Oh, really? That's pretty crazy.
The thing is, it got
So you just put that right onto the battery terminals?
Yeah. This one guy here, he still got his nice little clip on there, so we're gonna clip him back up where he would have been factory. This gray one's still got the, no, he's broken off. Put the green one in there. All the extra wire they had, they put up the front here
Where it wasn't needed.
I never heard of this this mod here. Generally turn away these bikes because they're not usually in this kind of shape. They look like this and got the original tires and stuff on them. They're ripped to shot kind of deal.
Yeah, it took a lot of research to figure this one out. It definitely seemed like something though, because people are trying to buy old broken dashes just to replace them.
People trying to buy these dashes for $300 not working.
Like we called and they don't make the dash anymore. It's been discontinued. There's none available online.
I'm pretty sure that first plug I put on is wrong. It's on relay, weather relay. Now we need to check this fuse because okay. I just need to check the fuse, I guess.
They don't give you one.
They don't give you one. So it's good though. That means it's getting power to fire up them relays off the key.
Yep.
And not just off the battery, like I was worried about, you know, your kids get on the bike and jam it up and the amps.
It's your executive decision, is it?
How many amps does it take? We don't know.
That should be with the instructions that weren't included.
Big wires, big fuse.
What is it? Big wires, big fuse?
The amps.
It's your executive decision, is it?
Yep. We'll stick that in, I guess, and leave it for a rip.
Is it shifted?
Key flicked off on me because of the key change.
Oh. Say we're calling it good?
Shift the way you should and all that. Yeah. It's funny, the key chain that people always have shit like that. I see motorcycles in the tanks all beat to shit.
They wonder why.
I always put like a little rubber key chain on so it's they just the way the key is, huh?
Oh, it's
See
like
that?
hooking right in there.
Right.
Too. So, yeah,
In
right
there,
there
you
too.
flipped it off, I guess, something like that anyways.
Alright,
That's all good. It's definitely worth $60 for that wire harness.
yeah.
And, fixes the problem. I think they're available for other bikes, 450s and stuff too. Might be the same. Have to do your research. I think we're gonna call this one a win anyways.
Alright, perfect, guys. So, yeah, if you have a Honda Fourtrax that you're having some shift issues, if the dash isn't working, hopefully this will help you out. So again, thanks for stopping by Maccustoms, and
again, just check out obviously battery connections and other connections before you go. I'm assuming it's that, but
Yeah, do your diagnosis, but if nothing else is working, that is likely the problem. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, especially if you had this problem, or if you had another problem that's similar. Let us know so that way there other people can find out. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next video.